Hey man, what's good YouTube? It is your boy Jizzle Gaming back with another video. Before anything start, man, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Man, I can barely talk, man. But anyway, man, in this video, man, I'ma just show y'all how to get waves, man. I got the best waves in the game right now. I've been waving since middle school, and it took me like 4+ years to like reach the peak that I am at. And with my hair, I had to learn how my hair grows. I had to learn how to my waves are meant to be and stuff like that. So I just had a whole lot of trips and trials to go through while on this wave journey. You know what I'm saying? I'm finally at my highest potential. So what I need to do is just work on my forks. I don't know if y'all know what that means, but forks is when one wave can split into 2 and 3 type waves. So it can go like this around one part of your head, and it can like split into 2. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to give one wave by itself, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So in this video, I'm gonna just show you how to get waves, man, how to start, and all the stuff that you need. So before anything starts, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get waves. Let's go. First thing you need, man, you need some brushes, man. I got a whole lot of brushes. You need you need curved brushes. I prefer these because it fits your head when you brush. You know what I'm saying? The flat brushes, they're straight, but the curved brushes just do a better job to me personally. Feels better on my head, no homo. For you foo-foo niggas. But nah though, get y'all some curved, hard, and soft brushes. This is a hard brush curve. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You know what I'm saying? I got 9 brushes. I collected these over the years. I just kept the ones that do really help my hair. And yeah, the flat type brushes, I mainly use these. Well, I use these if I'm like getting scalped or whatever. Like if I cut my hair down to a length where you can see my scalp. But mainly the curved type brushes, when my hair is like kind of thick, I mainly use these. You know what I'm saying? Because they feel better to move my hair when it's like real thick. This is hard. No, this is like medium soft. This is like medium soft right here. Nah, this is hard. Both of these are this is hard. This is medium soft. This is really soft. These, one side is soft, one side is medium soft. You know what I'm saying? This is soft. Oh, my fault, y'all. This is soft. This is a curved brush too. This is medium soft. This is real hard. I use like the real hard ones, no homo. In the shower mostly. I already have one in the shower, so there's like 10 brushes that I have. So the brushes like these and the one I have in the shower, I'm mainly using the shower to like move my hair with soap in it and just wash my hair, if that makes sense. So get y'all some brushes. Second, man, what you need is some good shampoo, man. I use a Lisa Agberry nutrition system. My mom got me on this because she has like a whole lot of hair. Well, the person who made it has like a whole lot of hair vitamins in it, and minerals, stuff that just keep your hair healthy. And I've been using it like for years now, and I really like it. Makes my hair feel soft, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. This is the bottle right here. Just give you the stuff that your hair needs. So get y'all some good shampoo, something natural, something that smells good and that helps your hair. Damn, this shit just squirted some water on my belt. But nah, get y'all something that smells good and also helps y'all hair at the same time. So get you some good shampoo. Third, man, you're gonna need some conditioner, man. I use olive oil. Is this what it called? Damn, I'm tripping. Olive oil. You know what I'm saying? This really smells good and it really conditions my hair. Whore. Anyway, man, it makes my hair feel good, man. Moisturizes your scalp when your hair is dry. Smells good, gets the job done, and preferably I recommend olive oil. This is the brand right here. I'm gonna get to this in a second, but this is the brand. I actually took the sticker out, but this is the brand right here. Olive oil. Y'all can find that Walmart, Walgreens. Y'all should. Beauty supply store, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? But olive oil, get the job done. Good conditioner, helps your hair smell good and stay healthy. 4, I think 3 or 4. I don't know. Get you some oil sheen to make. I don't really use this like that, but I do use it sometimes. It's like This makes your hair like shine, like you just got it cut. I can't really say much about this. You don't really have to get this, but sometimes I do use it just to add on a little extra style. Spray it a little, you know what I'm saying, just to make your hair shine. So it smells good too. So these are, this is essential. This isn't really essential. If you just want your hair to smell like extra good or something like that, or if you don't want to get this and want your hair to smell like olive oil or something like that, get this. Makes your hair shine and it smells good. So yeah. Last thing you need, man, is use some pomade, man. You need to lay your hair down. Also use a plastic bag as well. Plastic bag, you can use like shopping like this Kroger, Walmart shopping bags. You can use like a Ziploc bag. Though they can lay your hair down as well. I don't really use pomade like that. It causes buildup in your hair, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? And it causes, I use so much of this stuff, bro. It caused my hair to be like real stiff, and I really hated this. So I don't. Well, this when I was starting out. You know what I'm saying? But get you some pomade. You can don't use a whole lot of it, but it's real good for holding your hair down. I recommend Sporting Waves. I've been using this for a long time. Even when I wasn't being serious with waves, I remember when I was younger, I used to get it from the beauty supply store, put it all in my head, brush. I'm talking about going ham with the brush. All of a sudden I would stop. You know what I'm saying? But I stayed with this brand for like a long time. If y'all can see that. Dang, yeah, this it right there. But get you some good pomade, man. I recommend Sporting Waves. Smell good, lays your hair down, and yeah, get you some pomade. Hey man, it's the end of the video, man. Hopefully I help some of y'all out. You know what I'm saying? Starting the wave journey, it don't matter, man. Anybody can get waves. Y'all just gotta put the hard work in. Make sure y'all get a hard brush, hard curve type brush, preferably. You know what I'm saying? A soft curve brush, some pomade, some good shampoo, some conditioner, some pomade. I think I just said pomade, and some. You don't need the oil sheen. This right here, the oil sheen, to make your hair shine and smell good. You don't really have to get this, but if you want your hair to smell good and shine, get this. But hey man, that's the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Start your wave journey today. You know what I'm saying? Share this video, like the video, subscribe. Follow me on my socials, man. Subscribe to the channel. Road to the 400 subscribers. Appreciate the love. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. One more thing, y'all. Use this. This is another good conditioner that I use, man. I forgot to put this in the video, man. Blue Magic coconut hair oil. I don't really use an olive oil hair conditioner, but I mainly start using this, and this hair is really good. So use this one preferably. You can use the other one if they both smell good. You can use anyone. You know what I'm saying? But I forgot to put it in the video. Yeah, bye y'all.